afternoon, students. See the next problem. Integration 0 to 1 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx. See here, put x equals to tan theta, then differentiation on both sides. Now dx equals what, that is secant square theta d theta. So now what is lower limit, that is put x equals to 0, then 0 equals to tan theta. Now we have 0 means that is tan 0 degrees equals to tan theta. Now tan gets cancelled on both sides. So theta equals what, that is 0 degrees. This is called as what, lower limit. And what is upper limit here? Put x equals to 1, then 1 equals what, that is tan theta. 1 means tan how many degrees, that is tan pi by 4 equals to tan theta. Now tan gets cancelled on both sides. Then theta equals what, pi by 4. Now see, substitute upper limit and lower limit and x in the given problem. What we are getting here, integration. What is lower limit, that is 0. Upper limit pi by 4. Now sine inverse 2 into what is x here? X is nothing but what, that is tan theta by 1 plus x square means what, that is tan square theta into dx. What is dx here? Secant square theta d theta. Now this is equals to integration 0 to pi by 4 sine inverse. This is which form? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the formula? That is sine 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Integration 0 to pi by 4. Now sine inverse gets cancelled here. What we are getting here? Then 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Now see here, 2 is constant. Integration 0 to pi by 4 theta into secant square theta d theta. Now here we are using highlight. Now here this is algebraic and next trigonometry. Now we take this is what, f of x, and this is g of x. Now what is the formula for finding integration by parts? Then what, integration f of x, g of x dx. What is the formula here? F of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. So this is equals to, what is f of x here? Theta integration, what is g of x? Secant square theta d theta minus integration, what is f dash of x? That is 1. Integration, what is g of x? Secant square theta d theta whole d theta. So now this is 0 to pi by 4. So now 2 into theta into integration secant square theta d theta. But what that is? Tan theta Apply the limits, that is 0 to pi by 4 minus integration secant square theta d theta is nothing but what, that is tan theta d theta. Apply the limits, that is 0 to pi by 4. See now what we are getting here. 2 into, apply the value of pi by 4 in place of theta. What we are getting here, pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 minus 0 into something, that is 0 minus integration tan theta d theta is nothing but what, that is integration tan theta d theta is nothing but log mod sin theta. Apply the limits, that is 0 to pi by 4. This is equals to what we are getting here, 2 into, what is tan pi by 4 means how many degrees, tan 45 degrees, that is equals to 1 means what, pi by 4 minus log of sin theta. Apply the limits, that is 0 to pi by 4. So this is equals to 2 into pi by 4 minus log of sin pi by 4 minus log of 0. 2 into pi by 4 minus log of sin pi by 4. What is sin 45 degrees? That is nothing but 1 by root 2 minus this is what, 1. So now what we are getting here, see. This is log mod secant theta. This is secant 0 degrees. 2 into pi by 4 minus secant pi by 4. How much that is? That is half. Root 2 we are getting. This is log root 2 minus secant 0, that is 1 log 0. So what we are getting here, 2 into pi by 4 minus log root 2. Log 1 is nothing but what, that is 0. Now multiply with 2 here. 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 into log root 2 is what? That is how we can write 2 power 1 by 2. Now here 2 pi by 4 minus 2 into, this in which form, log a power m. Log a power m means what, that is m log a. 1 by 2 into log 2. Now this is equals to what? 5 by 2 minus log 2. We are getting. This is our required answer. See the next problem. next problem. Integration 0 to 1 x into tan inverse x dx. See here we are using highlight. Now here x is called as what? That is algebraic function. What is tan inverse x? That is inverse function. And you take this is f of x, and this is g of x. Apply integration by terms. So what we are getting here, integration f of x, g of x dx is equals to f of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. Now see, what is f of x here? By comparing tan inverse x integration g of x dx means x dx minus integration 0 to 1 f dash of x. Then what that is? Here f of x equals to tan inverse x. What is f dash of x? d dx of tan inverse x. Means what that is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square integration 0 to 1. What is g of x? X dx whole dx. Now here tan inverse x into integration x dx. What is the formula? That is x square by 2. Apply the limits 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus x square. Again integration x dx. This is in which form? Integration x power n dx form. What is the formula? That is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 means for that is x square by 2. Again dx. Now see here, first we have to substitute upper limit in place of x here. What we are getting? That is 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 minus then in place of x substitute the lower limit, that is 0. 0 into something, that is 0. Now minus integration 0 to 1 x square by 2 into 1 plus x square dx. Now see 1 by 2 into tan inverse 1 means what? That is tan how many degrees? Tan 45 degrees. Tan pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into that is what? 0 is nothing but 0 minus here 1 by 2 is constant integration 0 to 1 x square by 1 plus x square dx. So see here tan inverse tan gets cancelled. What we are getting here? See, this is equals to 1 by 2 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now see the numerator here, that is in which form? X square. What is denominator? 1 plus x square. So we are adding and subtracting to 1 to the numerator. Then what we are getting here? 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now see here 5 by 2 4 numbers, that is 8 minus 1 by 2. Now split by the denominator here. What we are getting here? Integration 0 to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx minus integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now this is equals to 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Now both are gets cancelled here. Integration dx means what? That is x. Apply the limits here 0 to 1 minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx is nothing but tan inverse x. Apply the limits, that is 0 to 1. So now this is equals to 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. What is the limits here? 1 minus 0. Now minus here tan inverse. Substitute in place of x. What is that upper limit? 1. Means that is 1 minus tan inverse x means what, that is 0. So this is equals to what? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. And next here tan inverse. 1 means what? That is tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0 means what? That is tan 0. So this is equals to 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Tan inverse gets cancelled. Minus 5 by 4 minus tan inverse gets cancelled. So now see, this is 0. Now here 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. What we are getting here? 1 minus 5 by 4. See now, this is equals to 5 by 8. This is multiplied with what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 5 by 4 to the how much? That is 8. Now here 5 by 8 plus 5 by 8. How much this is? 2 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. 2 are the 2 4. Now what we are getting here? 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the our final answer. And see the next problem. Next problem, integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. See now, this is given, this is denoted by I. The given problem is in which form here? See, integration 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now see here, now integration 0 to pi minus x into sin pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. Now integration 0 to pi minus x into, see now this is which form? Sin pi minus x, means that is sin 180 minus theta. So that is lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And second quadrant sin is what? That is positive. Apply second rule here. So then sine becomes sine here. So then sine x by 1 plus. See now this is in which form? Cos 180 minus theta. This is also lies in second quadrant. So apply second rule here. Cos is negative. So then already square is there. The minus into minus becomes plus here. So then what we are getting here? Cos square x dx. So see here the each and every term is split by the denominator. Integration 0 to pi by 1 plus cos square x dx minus integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now see here what we are getting now. Integration 0 to pi by 1 plus cos square x dx minus, and this is denoted by what? That is denoted by 1. So what we are getting here, see, I minus I goes that side, plus I, integration 0 to pi by 1 plus cos x dx. Pi into what? That is sin x. See now, here I plus I is nothing but what? That is 2i. 2i equals to integration 0 to pi. Now pi is constant. What is that? Sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now here, now plus means how we can add? That is minus into minus. Minus pi into integration 0 to pi minus sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So see here, put cos x equals to t here, then differentiation on both sides. Now ddx of cos x means what? That is minus sin x dx is equals what? That is dt minus pi. Now here find out the limits. What is lower limit here? Substitute x equals to 0. Then what we are getting here? Cos 0 equals to t. What is cos 0? That is 1. T equals to 1. And what is upper limit here? Now substitute x equals to 5. So then what we are getting here? Cos pi equals to t. What is cos pi? That is cos 180 degrees. That is equals what? Minus 1. This is upper limit. Now substitute the limits under t in the given problem, that is minus pi integration. Now see here, what is lower limit? That is 1. And what is upper limit? That is minus 1. Now see, minus sin x dx is nothing but what? That is dt by 1 plus t square. So this is equals to minus pi. Now see here, integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx, nothing but what? That is tan inverse x. Now here what? Tan inverse t. Apply the limits 1 to minus, here minus 5, then tan inverse t means what? That is minus 1. First we have to substitute upper limit in place of what? That is t. Minus tan inverse t means what? That is 1. Minus pi into tan inverse minus 1 t square, that is minus tan pi by 2, minus tan inverse 1 t square, that is tan pi by minus pi into tan inverse gets cancelled, then minus pi by 4, tan inverse gets cancelled, here minus pi by, so here minus pi into 4 is the LCM, minus pi minus pi, minus 2 pi, right? So here the 2 minus into minus, how much, that is plus pi into pi square by 2. So this is our required answer. Now here 2i equals what, that is pi square by 2. Now I equals what, that is pi square by 2. So what is I? I is nothing but what, that is therefore integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now this is equals to what? Pi square by 4. Now this is our required answer. This is very important problem for 7 marks. Listen, answer this is what is given here. I equals integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. And the given problem is in which form? Integration 0 to a f of x dx. And this is equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So see here integration 0 to pi. So substitute in place of x. What is that? Pi minus x. Pi minus x into sine pi minus x by 1 plus cos square. So what is x here? Pi minus x dx. Now integration 0 to pi minus x into this in which form sine 180 minus theta is nothing but sine theta by 1 plus cos square. This is in which form cos 180 minus theta is nothing but what, that is cos square x dx. The integration 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now see integration 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus this is denoted by what, that is I. So minus I goes that side, then it is plus I. I plus I equals to integration 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now here I plus I is nothing but 2i, here pi is constant. Integration 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Here we can write this is minus into minus. Minus pi integration 0 to pi minus sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now here put cos x equals what, that is t, and differentiation on both sides. Dx of cos x, that is minus sin x dx equals what, that is dt. So what is lower limit here? Substitute in place of x, that is 0, then t equals to what? 1. Substitute in place of x, that is pi, then t equals to cos pi minus 1. So substitute the limits. What we are getting here? Minus pi integration lower limit 1, upper limit minus 1. Now minus sin x dx is nothing but dt by 1 plus t square. Integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt is nothing but tan inverse t 1 to minus 1 First we have to substitute in place of the upper limit minus tan inverse lower limit. You see here tan inverse minus 1 means what, that is minus tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse into 1 means what, that is tan pi by 4 minus pi into tan inverse gets cancelled here minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Take the LCM here 4 minus pi that is minus 2 pi by 4 into 1 ja 2 2 ja minus into minus how much, that is plus pi into pi square by 2. 2i equals to what? Pi square by 2. What is I here? Pi square by 2. What is I here? I is nothing but 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now this is equals to what? Pi square by 4 we are getting.